What's up, traders? I hope you're all having a nice day and I hope you all had a nice weekend. So, right here, we took this trade on Thursday, and that was a winning trade. Fortunately, I'm glad I took this trade as well. And here you can see the market hit over 180R right here, and then I moved my stop loss to break even at my broker platform. So, like this, and then we let the trade run to our next target, and here you can see the target has been hit completely over. Both TPs are hit in a nice and easy way. We took one trade on EuroCAD as well. That was a nice 100 pips profit as well. Only there was only one trade. We hit stop loss on gold. That was a small position, but overall we are in a good profit. And a trade like this, as you can see, we had a nice $7 profit on crude oil, which is a good amount of profit. So guys, if you want to receive this type of priority trade ideas and priority trade signals, then you can join one of my partner brokers with minimum of $500 deposit, where I will teach you all the entry patterns, where I will also tell you the risk management instruction, and I will also coach you personally that if you need enter a trade using my zones I send you every week, which you will also get along with these trade ideas. And you can always check me the conferences. You can always DM me to check if you're taking a valid entries or not. But if you want all that, you can join one of my partner brokers with minimum of $500 deposit, trade ideas 1 to 5 times a week, and forex support every Monday. And again guys, it is not a signal group. Sometime we do not have any type of entries like for a whole week, and sometimes we have one or two or three, whatever. So it depends totally on our entry reason, entry patterns I send it to my members. It totally depends on a good entry, a reason to enter a trade. Otherwise it's not a signal group where I have to send you the entries without any reasons. If not, then it's totally cool guys. Make sure you hit a like and subscribe button for me so that you can get analysis like this every single day, and so that we can all trade efficiently. So now let's start our analysis with natural gas. I'm going to come back to crude oil in a second. So let's start our analysis with gas first. So right here, if you remember my last video, we were expecting a nice bounce from this zone. We got this candle, entry candle, engulfing candle, and you see the market hit our target. The 180R, the ATR of this entry candle is 17, and here you can see our target has been hit here as well. So now what to expect from gas further? So right here now, we have over 20 and 50 EMA right here. We can get a push back down, and we can get a double bottom entry as well to take a long trade. So once we get a double bottom entry, expect some good moves up once we get this sort of entry pattern. So if not, then if we break above these EMAs, 20 and 50 EMAs, then we can expect a pullback, and we can expect a hit of our red zone, which is 7.293, goes up to 7.554. So keep an eye. If we get a push down, look for an entry pattern like this to take long trades from. And if you get a push up to red zone, I will look for short trades as an engulfer or as a double top move back to our next zone. So keep an eye guys, only enter with a good entry reason like that. We have a nice entry reason. If we do not get any sort of entry reason, once we reach our gray zone, no entry reason, then we can expect further move down to next level of this gray zone right here on Owanda. And same here guys, if we can expect a push down, and we can expect a double bottom entry. Once we get this entry, I expect some good move up out of this type of double bottom pattern. And if we break above 50 and 20 MA, let's say we don't get a move down and we get a push up, break above that, we can expect a push up to our red zone, which is 7.016, goes up to 7.585, from where I will look for engulfers or a double top move back to our next zone, or we can get a pin bar back to our next zone. So keep an eye on both zones. Keep an eye on the entry condition. Only enter once you have a good entry reason to enter. Let's check gold. Okay, now gold has broken below the level of support, which will now likely to act as a level of resistance. So now, gold being in an overbought situation, we can expect a push up in this zone, and then we can expect a push down back to the next zone, which is 1875. From 1875, I will look for a buying reason as an engulfer or double bottom move, or as a pin bar to back to the next zone. So only enter with the entry confirmation. We are in this zone, we are in this buying and decision zone. Basically this is a decision zone. Our next few candle will decide if we go for short or long trade. Long only if we have a break and close above, and then we can get few more candles followed by a good bullish candle. But looking at the break and close below, we still are in a bearish pressure. We can expect a push up followed by an engulfing red engulfing candle to take short trades. Let's check crude oil. Right here, the winning trade we got. I'm glad we took this trade. And here you can see we had a nice push down from this head and shoulder pattern. And we took this trade on my YouTube channel right here. That was not sent in the priority group. I took this trade live on YouTube channel. We had this nice pattern. As you can see, we got some nice big moves down out of this pattern, and I expect, like I said in my trade idea, in my priority trade signal, I said that I expect some nice push down from this type of pattern. And as you can see, we had a good push down and still expect market to hit this green zone 93.256, goes down to 90.30. We can expect a push down, and from where I will look for a buying reason as an engulfer or a double bottom move above back to the next zone or 1 ATR as a target. So that's all for now, guys. Please do not forget to hit a like button if you're getting value out of my videos. If you are learning something out of my videos, that really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. I hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.